Imagine waking up inside of a Disney movie, maybe cruising through Radiator Springs, diving into the ocean with Nemo, or floating above Walt Disney World on a Skyliner. At Disney's Art of Animation Resort, you can do all of that. And I'm going to show you exactly why this might be the most magical value resort at Disney World. I'm Lee with All About the Duck, and today I'm taking you on a full tour of Disney's Art of Animation Resort. From Finding Nemo suites and the Big Blue Pool to Cars, Lion King, and Little Mermaid sections, plus the food, the Skyliner, and everything in between. Let's jump on in. Your Art of Animation journey begins in Animation Hall, and this lobby isn't just a check in spot, it's a full on animation gallery. The first thing that catches your eye is the incredible wall of sketches behind the check in desk, showing a full animation process from rough pencil drawings to vibrant full color characters. It's a beautiful tribute to the artistry this resort celebrates. Animation Hall is the central hub for everything. On one side, you've got the front desk and concierge, and on the other, you'll find the main gift shop and the food court. Let's step into the ink and paint shop. This is the place for resort exclusive merch, Disney souvenirs, and any vacation essentials you may have forgotten. It's bright, colorful, and full of unique art of animation gear that's fun to explore. Right next door is the resort's main dining spot, Landscapes of Flavor. This quick service food court goes above and beyond the typical offerings. Divided into five different stations, it has something for everyone. For breakfast, you'll find the famous character shaped waffles, hearty bounty platters, omelets, and pastries. Lunch and dinner options are even more exciting with burgers, pizza, and create your own pasta station, and adventurous dishes like tandoori chicken and or Mongolian beef. There's also a huge grab and go section for quick bite before heading to the parks. The seating area is divided into four theme zones, letting you eat in a savanna landscape, under the sea grotto, or other immersive movie inspired settings, making your dining experience just as magical as the rest of the resort. Step out of Animation Hall, and you're immediately plunged into a colorful world of Finding Nemo. This area is home to the first of the resort's family suite sections. The buildings are wrapped in bright blue ocean murals, surrounded by larger than life figures of your favorite characters: Giant Crush, the sea turtle, a forest of jellyfish, and Mr. Ray soaring overhead. The scale is breathtaking, making this one of the best spots for photos on the property. The Finding Nemo suites are designed to make you feel like you're sleeping under the sea. Sleeping up to six guests, these family suites are a huge reason people book this resort. Inside, you'll find a master bedroom with a queen bed and private bathroom. The main living area features a sleeper sofa that pulls out into a double bed. And here's the clever part: the dining table folds down from the wall to reveal another double sized Murphy bed. With two full bathrooms, mornings for larger families become much easier. There's also a kitchenette with a mini fridge, microwave, and coffee maker, perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. But the real showstopper here is the big blue pool. This isn't just any pool, it's the largest single hotel pool at Walt Disney World, holding over 308,000 gallons of water. Its zero entry design makes it perfect for little ones, and underwater speakers play music and sounds from Finding Nemo while you swim. Right next door to the pool, kids could splash around in the schoolyard spray ground or explore Squirt's Righteous Reef, a dry playground. Adults aren't left out either. The drop off pool bar serves cocktails, beers, and snacks just steps away from the water. All right, let's trade our fins for wheels and cruise over to the car section. The moment you step in, you're transported straight into the heart of Radiator Springs. The attention to detail here is phenomenal. You'll find nearly full size replicas of your favorite characters, from Lightning McQueen to Sally to Mater and Flo. And each building looks like it was lifted straight out of the movie, from the Wheel Well Motel to Luigi's Casa della Tires. This area also features family suites with the same smart layout as the Nemo section, sleeping up to 6 guests. Inside, the theming is all cars, with tool chest inspired dressers and decor that make you feel like you're really on Route 66. Each suite comes with 2 full bathrooms and a kitchenette, making it ideal for families. The Cozy Cone pool is the centerpiece here. While smaller and quieter than the big blue pool, it's overflowing with charm. Life size cozy cones line the pool, serving as first come, first serve cabanas for shade and relaxation. It's details like these that make wandering this resort feel less like staying in a hotel and more like stepping right into the movies. Next, we head into the Lion King section, a vibrant and dynamic escape into the African savanna. The colors here shift to warm oranges, yellows, and greens, and you'll pass iconic scenes from the movie brought to life with enormous statues. You'll spot Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba dancing across a log, and see Rafiki holding up a baby Simba on a mini Pride Rock. Venture a little further, and you'll find the Elephant Graveyard Playground, watched over by Scar and his mischievous hyenas, a thrilling spot for kids to explore. The suites maintain the same 6 person layout as the other family sections, but are filled with jungle inspired furniture and full of Hakuna Matata vibes. Headboards feature Zazu, while the shower curtain shows the iconic Circle of Life sunrise. This section feels tucked away and peaceful, offering a quieter retreat from the hustle of the resort. In the evenings, the Pride Lands hosts a nightly campfire where guests can roast s'mores. You can purchase kits or grab complimentary marshmallows, making it a perfect family activity under the stars. Finally, we dive into the Little Mermaid section. This part of the resort is a bit different from the others. The rooms here are standard hotel rooms, not family suites. They're the most affordable ways to stay at the Art of Animations. But don't let that fool you. The theming here is magical. The rooms sleep up to 4 guests, typically with 2 queen beds and or 1 king bed, though Disney has been updating some to more queen configurations. Unlike the family suites, these rooms have exterior doors, similar to the other Disney value resorts, rather than interior hallways. Even with these differences, the theming is incredible. Guests are greeted by towering 35-foot King Triton, along with massive Ursula, a colorful Sebastian, and Ariel herself. The nearby Flippin' Fins pool features an under the sea orchestra led by Sebastian, adding music and fun to your swim. Because these rooms are the furthest from Animation Hall and main transportation, this area is often one of the quietest spots in the resort, a perfect retreat after a busy day in the parks. One of the biggest selling points of Art of Animation is its transportation. The resort has its own Disney Skyliner station, shared with the nearby Pop Century Resort, located on the Generation Gap Bridge over the Hourglass Lake. It's just a short walk from the Nemo and Lion King sections. The Skyliner is essentially a gondola in the sky, offering a bird's eye view as it zips you over to theme parks. From this station, you can take a direct line to the main hub at Disney Caribbean Beach Resort, where you can transfer to lines heading straight to Disney Hollywood Studios or Epcot's International Gateway. It's a game changer for park travel. Fast, easy, and a lot of fun. Some gondolas are even wrapped with Disney characters, adding an extra touch of that magic to your ride. The resort also offers complimentary bus transportation to Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Disney Springs, and the water parks. The bus stop is conveniently located right in front of Animation Hall, making it easy to hop on and go. And there you have it, the complete tour of Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We've explored Animation Hall, visited all four movie themed sections, checked out all three pools, and covered the incredible transportation options. So, is this resort right for you? While Art of Animation is technically a value resort, the family suites are priced higher than standard rooms, sometimes closer to a deluxe resort. But the perks are worth it. The theming is absolutely stunning. The suites are perfectly designed for larger families with extra space and two bathrooms, and the Skyliner access saves you time and hassle getting to the parks. The cons: suite prices can be steep for some, and the Little Mermaid standard rooms, while more budget friendly, are a longer walk from Animation Hall and transportation. Here's the final verdict: if you're a family of 5 or 6 or just want more room to spread out, the family suites are one of the best options at Walt Disney World. Smaller groups or couples on a tighter budget will still find the Little Mermaid rooms a fun, adorable, and beautifully themed choice. Just be ready for a few extra steps. Whether it's your first stay or your 50th, Art of Animation captures that Disney feeling: colorful, creative, and full of heart. Which theme section is your favorite? Drop a comment below. We love hearing your thoughts. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for more Ultimate Disney Resort tours. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you real soon.